Integration by parts. The rule for integration by parts says the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. And then we also learned that we can tell which one to make u by going in the order of I late. I is inverse functions, logarithmic functions, algebraic functions, trig functions, and exponential functions. So the closer it is to the top, the more likely we are to make it our u. So for one example here, we've got the integral of x times sine of 3x minus 5. So x is algebraic. Algebraic doesn't end in a g. And sine is a trig function. So we're going to make u equal to the algebraic function in this case, which is x. Therefore, our dv is sine of 3x minus 5. To go from u to du, we are taking the derivative, which is just 1 dx. To go from dv to v, we need to integrate, which we are u substituting there. We should get negative 1/3 cosine of 3x minus 5. So the integral of u dv is u times v, so x times negative 1/3 cosine of 3x minus 5. Minus the integral of v du. So I'm integrating this times dx. I can move the negative 1/3 out front. The integral of cosine of 3x minus 5, again, we need to u substitute. You'll wind up with plus 1/9 sine of 3x minus 5. And let's do one with a definite integral as well. So we've got x e to the 6x. So algebraic comes before exponential. Du would be equal to x. V would be 1/6 e to the 6x. Du would be dx. So u times v minus the integral of v du finish your integrating. And then you can substitute in your values. So plug in 2, gives me 1/3 e to the 12th minus 1/36 e to the 12th. Plugging in negative 1 gives me negative 1/6 e to the negative 6 minus 1/36 e to the negative 6th. And you could simplify from there. So it looks like I get 11/36 times e to the 12th plus 7/36 e to the negative 6th. That is integration by parts.